Hey, what's up, guys? Do you want to make 6,780 today or in a month, guys? It's easy money, guys. Stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, what do you expect from this video? You can, in this video, all about how to make money by just doing simple work, guys. You can make 6,780, guys, $80, guys, and it's easy money, guys, and it's available worldwide no matter where are you from. It's also legitimate way to make money, guys. Before any further ado, if let's dive into this video. Before diving into this video, if you're new here, this is online business entrepreneur YouTube channel where you can find awesome video about make money online, YouTube tips, some other good stuff, guys. If you don't hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment below, guys. Without any further ado, let's go, guys. This is our website we're gonna see is called peoplepowerhour.com, guys. Okay, guys, you may think this is like another job or gig creating stuff. Yes, guys, this is a job gig creating website, guys. It's similar to Fiverr, guys. You may ask, guys, why I didn't choose Fiverr instead of people per hour, guys. Because people per hour is less competition, guys. You can make tons of money with this, guys. I show what's the best gig we can just to put up and get lots of sale, guys. It's easy money, guys, just to put. And also I can show how you can create that gig offer, guys. Just easy simple step, just drag and drop, guys. You can literally create a just 1 minute, guys. It took only 1 minute, guys. You just literally create, guys. I don't know what to tell, guys. It's easy money, guys, and watch till end, guys. I show little trick. You can boost up your earnings, guys. Double the earning, guys. Let's dive into this video, guys. And this is people of power here. As I told you earlier, guys, there is almost a 2.3 million freelancer, guys. Almost 1 million business companies are coming this website daily, guys. See, easy, guys. There are lots of business supply and also little bit of competition, guys. In Fiverr there are almost 10 million 20 million competition, guys. In this people per hour, the little bit, guys, just a 2.3 million, guys, freelancer. It's almost to $130 million paid out, guys, by freelancer, guys, by companies, guys, and earned by freelancer, guys. You can imagine, guys, 130 million easy money, guys. This is the popular company working with, guys. BCC, Business Insider, CNBC, Forbes, the Independent. Some of the, I don't want to take some little your precious time to explain this website, guys. Just to go to come over this website and click freelancer, guys. It automatically take you to the sign up page, guys, of your freelancer sign up page. Just to click freelancer, so automatically take you. I want click this one, guys. I want to work as freelancer. Just click sign up with Facebook or sign up with email, guys. Whatever you wish, you can easily sign up, guys. Once you sign up, I show what's your gig you can create and get tons of views and tons of money, guys. And as I told you earlier, you can make $6,780 per month, guys. Easily you can make, guys. And I show the proof how the people are making this amount of money in people power hour instead of Fiverr, guys. This is, guys, this is our niche, the business card, guys. Lots of business are starting daily, guys. So everybody needs a business card, guys, in 2020, because everybody wants to start a business in 2020, because 2020 is the most exciting year in the decade, guys, because at the starting of the decade people are starting a business newly and they want to invite lots of customer via business card, guys. They come to this type of website like people per hour, come to search business card, and there is lots of option, guys. There is similar, guys, but you can less competition, guys. Just you can literally get some good sales and get some good amount of money to your bank account, guys. So simple money can just put your gig and get paid, guys. And this is the idea came from, guys. This guy come from Pakistan, and this guy sold about 452, guys. I took the calculator and I show you, guys. 452, guys, multiply by 15, guys. This is total amount, guys, $6,780, guys. This guy made per month, guys. It's easy money guys. You can make two guys. Just follow my step and get paid easily this amount of money guys. And I show how this guy done guys. It's similar to this easy business style card guys, and I show how you can create just a drag and drop guys. You probably may have heard of this people per hour or not. This is similar to Fiverr guys. As I told you earlier, you can put your offer, just copy and paste what this guy typing guys. Just click and copy and paste and change it a name and change a little bit as your wish, and you can just go ahead guys. Just put some other this answer. This is the review guys. People are getting good amount of money from this guys. United States. Okay guys, I don't waste your time because I show how it can easily to create this beautiful business card to make some good amount of money guys. You can easily create some good business card like this guys by just drag and drop your customer wish and your wish too guys. It's easy business card tactics guys. You can easily create your business card and create other people's business card and get paid guys. And this website is called Canva guys. You probably think it's Canva is too late or too saturated. It's not guys. Canva is already available worldwide guys. You can create easy pictures and business card guys. Just to type business cover guys, business card guys. It's automatically comes some business card guys. Click this business card and choose a template guys. There is a lots of plenty of template guys, and I recommend get your customer wish guys. Just to get your customer idea what the business about and how the customer wants your business card guys. Just to choose a template as their wish guys. Easy money guys. If the customer wants a business card with a skeleton, or the owner of the business card will be maybe a doctor or even a dentist, I don't know guys, even a medical site, just click this one guys. Or even this one guys, the musical, or this one is the studio. There is plenty of option available guys. There is lot of option you can choose from, and you can also start from scratch guys. Just to click blank. I just choose as I told you earlier, just for this one guys. Just to choose this one guys and use this template guys. Click this one, so automatically take you to this designer page. I think everybody knows about how you can work Canva. If you don't, go to YouTube and search how to work and how to edit on canva.com. It's easy guys, just to drag and drop. This is also some of the pictures and some of the template available guys. You can change all of this element guys. Just to text on this images. I just to move around this little bit and choose, just I show just online hospital, just for example guys. Don't be panic, there is no online hospital available in the world guys. Just for example, and just put some of places guys as your customer wish and which place they live guys. I don't know everybody knows this which, but you can put your customer wish and you can get some good amount of money guys. I just put USA just for example guys. This Canva is only for paid version guys, only for this designer business. This is only available of paid version guys. Just try it for 30 days and get some capital from your customer and just print it out guys. It's easy money guys. Just try free guys. Just to try free 30 days guys. Just to click try free 30 days, usually get guys. Just as I told you earlier, click download guys. Just to pay and download and get your customer wish, and easily you can $1 guys. Just to $1 you can make lots of $6,780 guys. And as I told you earlier, if you want boost up your income by the double guys, just to post your gig on Fiverr guys. This is also similar website as I told you earlier. Just to post both people per hour and Fiverr guys, and get the sales in the both people per hour and Fiverr guys. You can get both of the sales and double your income guys. It's easy guys. Just you can took little bit of just as I told you earlier guys, little bit 1 minute just created this one guys. And you can create it from scratch guys, or you can use a Photoshop knowledge. As you know guys, just easy money. As I told you earlier, you can make $6,780 guys. I hope this video helps you a lot to make some good amount of big money guys. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, share, like and comment below guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video guys. Make money online. Peace.